Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of WTI crude oil. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, WTI is standing at a very critical level. We can see that market is standing at a resistance, and because of the ongoing market situation, market is not even going down. So things are not very simple. If you look at the market sentiment, we can see WTI holds near 3-week high. Oil prices hold near 3-week highs on Middle East tensions, China demand. Oil prices were little change in early Asian trading on Tuesday, hovering close to 3-week high on heightened Middle East tensions and recovering China demand. So fundamentals are taking oil to the upside, but technically we can see that market is standing at the resistance, and whenever there is a battle between fundamentals and technicals, fundamentals always win. So earlier also we have discussed that though 79.30 is a resistance on the chart, but taking a sell can be very risky. So if market breaks 79.30, we can consider it as a breakout and we can look for a buy position, because if you look at the daily chart also, we can see that we have a resistance here, and for a proper trend reversal we need oil above 79.30. If market breaks it, then only we can consider that finally a trend reversal has come and we can look for a buy position. And I will say that as long as market is trading here, you can consider this as your no trading zone. Why no trading zone? Because fundamentals are pointing towards upside, technicals are pointing towards downside. So in this type of situation, I have observed that you may see the market is forming small red candles and you have taken a sell, but suddenly you will see the market has formed a big green candle. Okay, so you may be trapped. So as a result, okay, it's better to avoid in this particular portion. If you already have any position, you can be on the trade. So one more thing I would like to know say here is that we can also see a wedge pattern. Wedge pattern is also a trend reversal pattern. Okay, market is standing at resistance, market is also showing a wedge pattern, which is also a trend reversal pattern. So if you have a sell, then I'll say you can be on the trend, no need to exit, because there's a good chance that we may, if not a complete trend reversal, market may show some downside and you may get an opportunity. Because after all, okay, not only resistance, the wedge pattern is also a powerful pattern. Usually I do not talk much about patterns, but we have a visible pattern, so we cannot deny it. So if you already have taken a sell, considering it as a resistance, you can be on the trade as long as market is inside the wedge pattern. And during the day, if you see that oil is going down, and in this present situation where there is a geopolitical tension going on, I don't think so that there will be huge red candles. If a news comes out that tensions have been solved, okay, market will be normal, in that case we may see a heavy drop on oil. As long as tension is going on, there is a possibility that, okay, we may not see a complete trend reversal, but still retracement is part of the journey. So if market shows retracement, you can look for support around 77, you can look for support around 76.50. These are the two levels where you can look for some sort of buying or where you can look for a bounce. Here we are using Fibonacci here. Okay, we can see we have Fibo 50 at 77 level, and this area from where market bounced previously, okay, here we have 76.50. so if we combine all the factors, then there's a good chance that if market shows retracement also, it should not be a complete trend reversal, and we may look for some buying around these areas. You can see that we also have a support around 77.30. This is also a support, but to be honest, I'm not much convinced with 77.30 around this area. So if you see the market is going down but there is not much selling power pressure, in that case we can look for a bounce around 77.30. Otherwise, these two levels seems to be good one. Okay, let's wait and watch. Keep in touch with the news. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, thank you so much.